The pelican is a large water bird with a long beak and a large pouch. They are found around coastal beaches and lagoons. There are 8 living species of pelicans: the brown pelican, the great white pelican, the Australian pelican, the Dalmatian pelican, the Peruvian pelican, the American white pelican, the spot-billed pelican, and the pink-backed pelican. Pelicans have short legs, webbed feet, a long beak, and a throat pouch. Pelicans eat usually fish, but they'll also occasionally eat insects, frogs, small birds, and rodents. Pelicans are known for their throat pouch. They scoop up prey into their beaks, and then they tip their head to drain out excess water, and then they swallow their prey whole. A group of pelicans is called a pod. Pelicans are also waterproof. They coat their feathers with a waterproof oil to keep them from getting wet. Pelicans live for 15 to 25 years in the wild. Pelicans are incredible birds, and they are another one of God's amazing animals.